'Cause all I need is just a simple da 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 da.
First off, I want to say, how do you guys like our intro video? Comment below of what you think. But that's our new intro video for now. I'm Sue.
And I'm Sandra.
And our Luca boy is taking his nap right now. Our video today is the DIY of how we made our...
It's like a halo ring light.
So we've been wanting to get one for a while, but they're so expensive. So we looked up, of course, YouTube videos of how to make a ring light. And right now we're using our ring light. We'll show you the difference, but we'll also show you how we did our quick video.
So we saw on YouTube how to make this ring light. So we went to Walmart last night and got a few things. And it really cost less than $20 to make this. And here's a clip of how to make the ring light. So a few things we got from Walmart last night is this wire wreath form. And this was about $3 at Walmart. And then a few other things that we didn't have to buy that were just around in the house is tape, pen, a pair of scissors. You don't need this because it didn't work. So don't buy that. You also need wax paper, aluminum foil, and a 16 feet LED rope light. Then some cardboard boxes, or just one big one. So the first thing we're going to do here is put this 18-inch wreath form on your cardboard box, and you are going to trace that with your pen. And it's just because we need the cardboard ring, and I'll show you what we'll do with that. So just trace around the inside and also the outside. There you have it. Now take your pair of scissors and you're going to cut that cardboard ring out. It's a little hard using scissors, so if you have a box cutter, I highly recommend using that. And this is what your cardboard ring should look like. Now we are just taping the LED rope light around this wreath form. And we're just putting tape about every 6 inches, and then it's going to coil around maybe about 3 or 4 times. So you're going to need a lot of tape. So really the only thing you need to buy from the store is that wreath form and also the LED lights. Everything else you should already have at home. Make sure you tape everything securely on so that it doesn't fall apart. And here's what it would look like after. Now, the next step is to take this cardboard ring that we've cut out and wrap it in foil. And you're going to do this step all the way around until it's fully covered. Now you attach that to the back side of your light, and you're just going to tape those together. Make sure to tape those securely on. There you have it. And then we have one more step And that is to put wax paper all around. So you're going to need a lot of tape. You have to also tape this. And you're going to do this step until it's fully covered. Now that we're done, we're going to plug it in, make sure it works. And there you have your ring light. All for less than $20. Okay guys, and that's how you make a ring light. And so we are just currently sitting in the house. It's like dark in here. We've closed all the curtains and we're using the light right now. And I really love it. Do you like it?
Because before we would just we'd have to film during a certain time because we only have one major light that comes into our house, which is just through the side sliding door. But this makes it a lot more convenient for us. So if things change throughout the day, we can film anytime with this ring light. I'm pretty excited to use it. Right now we are using it, and we're going to show you the quick difference right now if we weren't using it.
Yeah.
Boom. That's without the ring light on, and I'm going to turn it back on. And that's
there you go.
And that's a ring light on right now.
I really love this light. It's about $100 to $200 to get one of these lights on Amazon, but we saved a ton of money just by making it ourselves.
And it came out really nice.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Make sure to smash that like button. And leave a comment below, once again, what you think of our new intro video that we're so excited to show on this first video. In a few weeks, we have something coming up that we are planning. So make sure to also hit that notification button so that you are getting notified what videos we're coming out with, because sometimes we'll just also shoot one out during the middle of the week. But Sundays are our daily videos that we will come up with. But in about 3 to 4 weeks, if you are in Utah and you are following us, make sure to hit that notification button because we are doing a cool giveaway. And it's going to be hidden. We're not going to say much, but that's all it is.
So stay tuned.
Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is Diva Life.
Whatever you want, babe, I got enough for that.